Right, so today we are unboxing the Charge 6 Bluetooth version 5.4, one of the latest Bluetooth versions. And as always, this thing looks like pretty neat in the box where we're unboxing here. Weird. Okay, so is this coming up like this? It is. Looky looky. There it comes out. People. JBL Charge. The unboxing is as always amazing. There's a little tab. Here the word charge is embossed. Okay. There's like a strip in here. I don't know how we open this. There's a little drawer in there. You can pull out a drawer. It has a piece of paper. There's more in here. Everything is like put out here in paper. There we have a manual thing. We need this later. So everything is fully recyclable paper, like packaging. You recycle easy. Here it says JBL on it. It has like a 2B flexy feeling to it. It feels like rubber, but it's doesn't stretch much. Look at this, and it has those things in here, like this. The detail is amazing. Yeah, there's little logos in there. Nice. That looks like egg carton. Are you getting out of here? Oh, wait, look. No. Unboxing this like this. Look, you can flip this to the side like this and then lift it out. Wow. Look at it. That's how it's coming out. Okay, let's see. Let's take the box out of the way. Nice. It smells new. Yeah, so this looks like egg carton here. It goes both ways, looks like. Right? It's nice. It smells like egg carton. And then we have this paper fleece material, and look, here it is. There it is. A JBL 6. JBL. Look how good this looks. I'm doing, as always in my videos, like a super close up so that you guys can see the details. Look at it. Yeah. The feet. Yeah. There is the charge port. See that? USB-C. Look at that. And all you get now with this unboxing video is the startup sound. Very first time ever push the button. There it is. Ready to be paired to the phone. So I hope you liked this unboxing video. Subscribe for more, because we're gonna do a comparison to all the others. To the Charge 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of them I still have after so many years.